Welcome to Forex Blade University. My name is Maya. We believe our education course could dramatically improve your trading skills. Let me introduce you to who we are.
You've seen tons of courses and books out there, but there is so much conflicting information it's hard to know what works and what doesn't. Our course will teach you the best techniques in the world today to successfully trade.
We all have your back in the Discord chat, even if you don't have any trading skills or knowledge. This course will take you from A to Z and move you beyond the basics. Self-taught traders lose a lot of money before they become profitable. Instead of trying to piece together random information from all over the internet, this course has everything you need to become a profitable and independent trader. This includes videos, PowerPoints, tests, other courses, and ebooks to separate you from the typical trader. We will teach you step-by-step how we trade the currency exchange market.
Grab your coffee and notepad. It's time to elevate your trading skills. Let's get started with the basics.